Hi, this video is regarding IPMAT Rohtak. For 12th standard students who plan to do BBA course or a 5-year integrated program from IPMAT Rohtak, it's important dates and the exam pattern. So if you finish at 12th standard, if you're interested in BBA, would recommend you to fill the form. So we do have courses for IPMAT Indo, IPMAT Rohtak, GMAT, BBA. If you're interested, you can contact us. Colleges that accept IPMAT Rohtak. There is IIM Rohtak, Tapni Manipal, Tapni Bangalore, Nalsar, from which IIM Rohtak is obviously a good college. Tapni Manipal is also a decent college you can apply to. So these are two colleges which, if you feel you want to get into, you can try getting into it, right? So these are the colleges that accept IPMAT Rohtak exam. Important dates: form filling 6th February to 11th April. The exam is 5th May. So exam is after the GMAT exam, but before the IPMAT indoor examination. These are three important exams which is there. You can go to this link for the admissions, but yes, you can. This is the dates. Pattern. There are three: quant, logic, verbal. Normally in IPMAT indoor there is only quant and logic. In this there is a quant and verbal. In this there is a logical reasoning, which is an extra section which is there, 40 minutes. The level of difficulty out here is comparatively easy. So you realize there are 120 questions in 120 minutes of speed-based test. You have 1 minute per question, so you need to solve really fast. So each question carries 4 marks and there is a negative mark of 1, which is there. If you want to apply to law program, IIM also has a law program. Okay, you can apply for that, and that is 20 questions, 20 minutes, extra section of legal reasoning which is there. So if you plan to apply for that, you need to apply for it. It will be all these 3 sections plus that legal reasoning section which you can apply to. The final selection, the aptitude test is 55%, interview is 15%, and then your 10th and 12th has 10 and 20% weightage. So this is the overall weightage as far as the selection process is concerned, right? We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation and information regarding BBA, IPM, etc. Interested? Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.